Hello, let's get it together. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae. I'm in the process of making some food in the kitchen right now, and I figured it would be kind of cool to do a what I eat in a day when I'm in the middle of moving, basically when I have no groceries to make what I would usually make. So you got to get creative. That's the vibe for today's video. Trying to hit my macros for the end of the day, and I'm not gonna lie, none of the food I have left really sounds that appetizing, so we're gonna try to make it work today. And my house is a mess. If you guys have been keeping up with the videos, you know that I am packing up for a road trip back to the East Coast. So I have a lot to do, lot to pack, and I'm still using stuff too. And like, that's where I'm like, okay, well, when do I start packing up my bathroom stuff? Because I still gotta get showered and all that. When do I start packing Leroy's stuff? Because we're still gonna be, you know, going out and stuff like that. When do I start packing the kitchen? Your girl has gotta eat. So I don't know, I'm trying my best to pack up the things that I don't necessarily need right away. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. So anyway, let's go to the kitchen and see what your girl is whipping up. And I found some vegetables. Thank God, I need to eat veggies, so let's get to it. I have some carrot sticks. This is all that I have left. So I'm gonna steam these, and then in the oven I have the broiler on high. And I have some pork chops. So that'll be my meal for today, like lunch and dinner. And I hope that I have, yes, some rice. So we're gonna have a whole pack of this. And then what do we have? Some quinoa. So I'll probably have this for dinner. Just trying to eat through everything. And this is all I have in my pantry. Not too bad. All the spices. So yeah, we're gonna have this with our pork chops today. Right, little boy? Oh, you want a carrot? You want a carrot? The baby wants a carrot. Okay, and here we go. I have my pork chops here. I'll probably try to weigh out 1.5. Some carrots before I put my sauces and spices on it. And then I have my rice going off right now, so not too bad. Little improv meal prep situation going down. So for my carrots, I just steam them in the microwave, and then once those are done, I add half of a serve of this Earth Balance vegan butter, sprinkle of some cinnamon, drizzle of some honey, salt and pepper. Oh, and also I'm going to be having a kombucha because I need to use these up. And I love this brand, you guys know. This is not new on my YouTube, but this brand is definitely one of my favorites. So I had to throw that in for meal number one. Of course, you already know, lots of water. So excited, guys. I'm gonna make ramen. I do not eat the Top Ramen brand, mostly because it has dairy. Like, why? I didn't even realize that until a couple years ago. But also, this just tastes way better. So I'm gonna show you how I like to hook it up. I add my own seasonings in addition to what comes in here. And this is the spicy gourmet ramen. And to make it protein, because y'all know I need my protein, I need to eat up these eggs. So I'm probably gonna do 3. Let's see how many is in here. There are 3 in there, so that's what, 5, 10, 15 grams on top of 9. Can't really do math right now, but it's like 22, 21. Alexa, what's 9 plus 15?
9 plus 15 is 24.
I'm embarrassed, guys. I'm out of it right now. So I'm gonna use a dish to crack my eggs because I always get shell in my egg and I don't know what the trick is. So I like to crack it separate. And I'm such a dummy. I packed all my clothes, literally all my clothes. So I have to dig through stuff to find pajamas for tonight. Like, I was in a flow and I couldn't stop. So let's make this ramen because my water is boiling. Don't judge my outfit. Like I said, I packed all my freaking clothes. And I love egg ramen. It just has a different vibe than without it. So perfect. Got to use up my eggs. Now I don't feel like I wasted stuff like groceries. I'm eating the most random things today. All right. Better come through. Quick, quick. Put the ramen in. And this doesn't taste as salty as top ramen, but this is a seasoning mix, like that, the regular one, and this has like a vegetable, dried veggies. I'm gonna add the egg in right now. And boom, basically when the noodles are done, the egg is pretty much done. And I don't like to crack the yolk or break it apart because I like it to be boiled through. So it's gonna make this so much more filling. And I don't like soggy noodles, so this really doesn't take that long to cook. Or like mushy ramen. Dude, tell me why that freaking song popped into my head. I'm like, Spirit, what are you trying to say? What's she trying to say? So I just put in the mix 2 packets or whatever. Secret ingredients, earth balance, a vegan butter. Gotta use this up anyway. It just makes the broth taste really good. Kind of creamy. Where's my garlic? Here we go. Garlic powder, just because I like a lot of garlic. Just a little bit. Y'all, not even gonna lie to you guys, I put Old Bay in here sometimes. Today I'm not feeling it, but just a little bit. All right, let's mix this up and then it's good to go. You can see how my egg stayed kind of clumped. That's how I like it. Just like that. Mix all the seasonings together. This is so filling, you guys. I mean, I added 3 eggs in here, so gotta love the protein and the carbs and fats. I'm not gonna say this is healthy, but it be hitting. And boom, it's done. I'm so excited to go in. I was definitely craving something light with a broth. And this is like bacon bits or bacon fat, and I don't really like that. That's a little weird to me. But they do have like that dried veggie mix. I don't know, it just be hitting. So that's my next meal of the day. I'm gonna have my little fig bar. Wait for my laundry. I'm taking Lee out early tonight because I want to go to bed. I cannot wait to sleep. I'm gonna sleep so good. Shargate. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this, my snack, and then I will see you guys at my next meal. I think I know what I'm gonna have. I always plan. I always get so excited. I'm like, oh, I can't wait to eat after this while I'm eating this. Love these. Watch some YouTube, wait for my laundry. I just want a snack. And this time I'm having protein puffs. These are so good. If you guys like Funyuns, you will like these. It's like a healthier version. So I'm gonna have 2 servings of this because 14 grams of protein. So I think the calories are definitely worth it. These are definitely a good movie snack. And I highly recommend them. You can get them at Whole Foods. Plus I need to eat these up because this thing has been open. So I have some bagels in the freezer which I need to eat up. And I think I'm just gonna do 1. I have stuff to do pizzas. So I like to do bagel pizzas. This has quite a bit of protein in it. 11 grams. I also have some mozzarella from So Delicious, and if I had pepperoni I would love to put that on here, but I don't have that, so I have to make do with the ingredients that I have. And I know I'm not going to use all this sauce, but I'd rather use a little bit than to just not use it at all. And I haven't tried this one. This one's fire roasted, so hopefully it has a nice bite to it, but I need to defrost my bagel in the microwave. I like doing things like this that are very easy, aka minimal ingredients and minimal time in the kitchen. Not a lot of dishes. I like a lot of sauce, I don't know. But these are really nice to have if you have actual pizza toppings too. It actually tastes really good. So today we're just doing cheese. Ooh, yummy. And I tasted the sauce, it's really good actually. Late night snacks. As you can tell, I eat very small meals spread throughout the day because I get tired of eating the same flavor for too long. Like I need to switch up my taste buds. So that's just what works with my appetite. I'm gonna top it off with some red chili. I'm so tired. I cannot wait to go to bed. So to get my calories in. Just a little bit of seasoning. And I'm just gonna throw that in for maybe 7 minutes until it's toasted and cheesy. My stuff is burnt up. It's all the pepper flakes. I honestly get so impatient. I just put everything on broil, but I should have baked it for like 350. You live and you learn, right? That's just my lazy behind. But I'm gonna eat this, and I don't know if I'm gonna have something else. Oh my god, this is so depressing how burnt up it is. It's not even toasted all the way. Man, I wish I had some pepperoni, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm not mad at this.